Hey guys, it's Big Miss has 230 here, and I'm back with another video. Today I have the Shark 2-speed control carpet sweeper, and I've got some dirt on my floor. No, the carpet is not this dirty usually, unless I put stuff down. You see, it's quite a bit of kitty litter and sand and pet hair. This is just what I got on my carpets today. I vacuumed with this Black & Decker. So, let's see what this thing can... So let's see how much agitation and how well it does at picking up all this dirt. And I'm gonna be using this for my dirt bucket. I'm just gonna take this off. Take off my reusable bag. It's an old bean bag. And I'll just dump the stuff into here. Here, I'll even add a little bit more. There. And I'll be emptying its canister, which is right here on the side. You grab and squeeze, and you pull out. I need to wash it. It's washable. I use it a lot, so it gets heavy use. So, this is the power. This is your speed control. You push the power, and carpet and floor. That's for hard floor. That's for carpet. I have it in carpet right now. First, let's have it in hard floor. See how much agitation it's producing. Producing quite a bit. I'm gonna amp up the motor. You gotta agitate that carpet. You know, it's cleaning deep down into those carpet fibers and getting all that dirt out. Listen to all that kitty litter. And this comes from Shark, the people who make really powerful cleaners. I am going to be putting this dirt back down. I'm going to be using my shop vac to clean it up next. I think it's just about full. Turn it off. It's time for an empty. Take it out. Yep, see, it's full. It don't hold very much. See, it is overflowing. So I'll pick that out and put that in there. And that's pretty simple. There you go. Let's do this little fur ball. I think it's full. Yeah, it is quite dirty. I'll be cleaning it tonight. Shark sent me this sweeper to do a review on about a month ago. I just never put it up on my channel. There we go. It does do a pretty good job at picking up the vast majority of it. For day-to-day use, it's really great. For big use like this, no. It's not so great. Now, I'm going to retake all this dirt, and I'm going to re-dump it back down onto the floor. I'm going to re-spray it out with my foot. I'll even come over here and add some extra. Take this rubber band off. Come over here. And that's 2 days of dirt. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up with my shop vac. Doing a little test to shop vac. I got me a new floor nozzle, which is right here. You push this pedal. This is for carpet mode. Got these little felt pickers. Grab the hair. If you push the pedal down, it lowers the squeegee and that brush, which is for hardwoods. So give me a sec and I'll get that spread out more and I'll get my bag put back on. Alright guys, I'm back. It took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes to get things put together. Got my hose hooked up to my shop vac. This is a vacmaster, 2.5 gallon, 2 peak horsepower. It's right around 12 amps. And I know if you guys been wanting to see a huge big mess get sucked up shop vac. Here's a small one. I need to save up some more dirt to do that. But here, let's vacuum up some dirt shop vac. The bag goes in place. This is a pretty good shop vac. It does have a completely clean filter in it. But the bag also helps to keep that filter clean as well. Back them up in spare batteries. Gotta fix my hose. Storage is away. I like hamster vacuums, but they can get in the way sometimes. I have been using this vacuum for 2 days. See, it does struggle with some of the finer dirt because I don't think it gets close enough to carpet. But it doesn't really bother me. It does pick everything up. So as you can see, It does snowplow a little bit. That's why I pick up the nozzle. See if I remove. Got you. Why did it airflow? Every time something nozzle in. I paid $10 for this nozzle at Walmart. But I had a discount for it. It's originally $16, but I had a $10 discount, so it brought it down a little bit. That's that. That's what I want now. Exactly perfect. Already got it all. Let's go. Yeah. Just real awesome. Sorry for the camera. It's kind of tricky. I'm gonna remove this from here. What's that? My outside bird is here. I was outside messing with my bike tonight. Today, I was mowing this lawn. It's got disgusting. You guys like my custom exhaust vent? All the exhaust there. Basically, I have an end tube, which would go into the end tube that would go into the end of here, to the end of this hose. I took it off because I used that handle end right there. And I stuck it into the exhaust. It actually quiets it down a little bit. And I stuck its attachment on the end. So now, when you use it, got wet hands, got them washing dishes. This thing gets left plugged in over there. Just come over here, put your hand underneath it, blow dry your hand. Works pretty good. Yeah. This is model V0M205P. If you guys are interested in buying one of these, they are a really good shop vac. Well, they're not a shop vac, they're a household vacuum. That's what they're sold under. And it comes with this nice dusting brush right here. It's a dusting brush. See, I've used it. It's got hair on it. It was made 12 of... Hold on. Look at that a bit better. It was made the 12th month of 2020. It got a nice soft brush. And it just... You got that little groove that's right there. It just slides on to it. Like this. It just slides on. You got a dusting tool right here. If you take this tool off, you got yourself an upholstery tool with little notches cut out, and you got a crevice tool. It's not a bad little shop vac. Gets the job done. You guys just seen how much dirt it just sucked up. Had no problem with it. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.